Just a simple reminder to download the free wallpapers I've got you in the first link. Rumors of a second cheaper model in Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series have been circulating for some time. In the context of Mobile World Congress 2024, we have heard information that Samsung is indeed planning a two-pronged strategy around the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Just not a cheaper model, but rather a more expensive model which will be added to their foldable lineup, potentially named the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. In previous reports from a few weeks ago, the codename Q6A has popped up alongside what appears to be the normal model internal code name Q6. It's possible that the Q6A is the Ultra model, though that is still speculation. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Twitter at tech_section. Possible differences between the normal Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra include the display size, the storage configuration, an integrated or at least optional stylus, different cameras, and the option of a different battery configuration. In addition, Samsung could of course also rely on different design. And if you want to see how the Z Fold 6 will look like, you can watch this video afterwards. And please take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video and perhaps sharing it with interested friends. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.